Hi, in this video, I will show you how to run RSWAT for future scenarios. For example, we have a SWAT model, and then we calibrate this model, and we get behavioral parameter set. The parameter set which give an SE, for example, greater than 0.5 or some value that you think are acceptable. And then we apply this model for other scenario, for example, to quantify the effect of climate change on something, for example, stream flow or other hydrological process, or land use change or land use management change. So now let's open RSWAT and create a calibrated model and get behavioral parameter set here. So here I have SWAT model and then my working folder in here, my example data here. So just see tutorial 1, how to get this data, and so on, executable file, SWAT parameter. Parameter sampling, I just take the default parameter in RSWAT. And then I want to generate like 500 parameter sets and 5 behavioral parameter set. Okay, run SWAT. I want to extract stream flow at the catchment outlet. And now I use 8 cores. You can use more or less, it's up to you. And now click here to run the model. Okay, all simulation were done. And now we just need to calculate the objective function. So we need to load observed data. And my observed data is in here, example observed data. Yeah. So only from 2000 to 2003, end of 2003. Because here, so the example data from RSWAT, but I delete from 2004 up to 2007. So only up to end of 2003. So now I load the observed data example and then calculate objective function, display parameter value and objective function, table of objective function. The highest NSE is 0.6. Okay, now let's say that I want to select the simulation which is NSE greater than 4. Display plot here. Then now I click here to get the parameter set which have NSE greater than 0.4. So here I have this parameter which give NSE greater than 0.4. So we have the calibrated model and we have behavioral parameter set. So we just need to copy this, Control C, and text notepad, Control V. Yes, these are behavioral parameter set. We save it somewhere. Save it here. Let's say param. Okay, enter. Okay, we got parameter behavioral parameter set already, and now we run this model for other scenario, and we have to run with all of these behavioral parameter set. For example, we close this app, and then one day we need to run this model for other scenario. We need to open SWAT again, and then we need to load that project here. Load. So in this case, I would suggest we just need to change the working folder, because if we now work on this working folder everything in this working folder will be deleted. So I just create another working folder, let's say for scenario simulation. Here, take in, take out, we do not change anything here, and the parameter should be the same as we load from the previous project. And here we need to change that we will run the model with behavioral parameter set in the C. So my behavioral parameter set in here. param.txt. So and now we can run our model. For example, we don't need to run for the same period. We want to run for the period from 2004 to 2007. And then we can change the number of cores. Just click run. Okay, all simulation were finished. And then we can see here, we just run for 13 parameter sets. And now we want to save all of the simulation in the working folder. We click here, you see here, our working folder is there nothing here. And if we click save, yeah. So our output variable 1, which is stream flow at the catchment outlet, will save in this file. You can open this file. So here we from the first parameter set here. This is the simulation time series from the first parameter set here, on the second parameter set, and so on. So the time is from, we are running it daily, and the time is from the beginning of 2004 to the end of 2007. So we can do everything with this. 2004 C to 2007, right? And now we can do anything with this, everything with this. For example, we want to calculate the mean of all simulation or the uncertainty or whatever we want. Yeah, we can use this to create some beautiful plot. So in this case, SWAT will not create any plot from this data, but it just like write to CSV file and we can do whatever we want with this data. Yeah. So thanks for your interest in this video.